Hi, my name is Seth Chow, and today I will be doing my video assignment over squids, also known as decapodiforms. There are some common squid names found all over the world. These are called the common European or Oligo vulgaris. This is the top right one, and a Japanese flying squid, which is the bottom right one, and one that's actually found in the U.S. Atlantic coast, which is the longfin inshore squid, which is called Dorytheus paley. Their natural habitat is actually very diverse, but is only limited to salt water. They are never found in freshwater, so they are only found in the oceans. However, they live in all oceans all over the world. The trend when you go deeper into an ocean is that you find bigger squids. An example, you'll never find the giant squid at shore. You'll only find it at least 300 meters below sea level. And each species of squid has its own natural habitat, and they're very niche to it. And the limiting or the deciding factors can be anything between temperature, the surrounding environment, or even depth ranges. Uh, the main way how squids actually get their food is one, with tentacles and suction cups, which is this bottom right picture. Two is the beak and radula. The beak is to break and even slice through prey and shells, even. And then the radula is the tongue like thing, the top right picture, the tongue like thing that's basically covered in razor type pattern. This shreds through anything before digestion. And the third way that they usually get food is using their environment and the stealth and speed around them. Their diet is actually starts off with like small organisms, phytoplanktons as young squids, but as they grow older and older, they basically eat whatever they can catch, which this would include small fish, mollusks, crabs, even lobsters, worms, and other squids. Squids can be cannibalistic if they don't really have other food sources to get to. However, on the prey side of squids, they they do have quite a few predators. Squids are a medium-sized predator on their own, so there's always more predators to eat squids. Big ones are obviously humans, but sea creatures are other squids, as we talked about before, sharks, sea lions, and even whales. However, they are good at evading uh, being caught, as when they're being chased, they would release ink as a way to escape. Unique traits to squids that make them thrive in such diverse environments all over the world are obviously the tentacle and suction cups. This is their main way of hunting prey and capturing them. And some of them actually have bioluminescence, which glows and camouflages and communicates and attracts prey, and their eyes. This is their tree of life. They are a eukarya in the Animalia kingdom, in the Mollusca phylum, in the cephalopod family, with Tuathiida order. And here's just a tree. If you want to get more specific, you can. Why are they important? Like I said before, they're mid-level predators connecting small organisms to bigger ones in the food chain. So without them, there would be a lot of higher predators that wouldn't survive as much because of the lack of food. And as for like why they're important to humans, they are such great food source. The calamari and squid jerky are amazing, but there's even cultures and mythology around them, like the kraken. And here are just some sources.